Medical devices play a critical role in modern healthcare by aiding in the diagnosis, treatment, monitoring, and prevention of various medical conditions. They encompass a wide range of tools, equipment, instruments, and software that contribute to enhancing patient care and improving overall healthcare outcomes. This report aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of medical devices, including their definition, classification, and significance within the medical field. Definition of medical devices. A medical device is defined as any instrument, apparatus, machine, software, implant, or similar article that is used to diagnose, prevent, monitor, treat, or alleviate a medical condition. These devices can be intended for use in humans for a variety of medical purposes, including but not limited to diagnosis. Medical devices aid in identifying and diagnosing medical conditions. Examples include X-ray machines, MRI scanners, and diagnostic tests. Treatment. Devices used for treatment include surgical instruments, infusion pumps, and radiation therapy machines. Monitoring. Devices that monitor a patient's vital signs, such as heart rate monitors, blood pressure monitors, and glucose meters. Support. Devices that provide life support or assist bodily functions, such as ventilators, pacemakers, and prosthetics. Prevention. Medical devices used to prevent medical conditions, such as condoms, catheters, and contraceptive devices. Medical devices can range in complexity from simple tools to highly sophisticated technology integrated with software and advanced sensors. Classification of medical devices. Medical devices are categorized into various classes based on their intended use, potential risks, and level of control required. The classification systems may vary from one region to another, but they generally follow a similar pattern. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, classifies medical devices into three main categories. Class 1. These devices present minimal risk to the user and are subject to the least regulatory controls. Examples include bandages, stethoscopes, and tongue depressors. Class 2. Devices in this category have a moderate level of risk and require more stringent regulatory controls. They often include diagnostic equipment and more complex instruments. Class 3. These devices pose the highest risk to patients and are subject to the most rigorous regulatory requirements. This category includes implantable devices like pacemakers, as well as life-sustaining equipment. In addition to this classification, medical devices can also be categorized based on their function, such as imaging devices, surgical instruments, in vitro diagnostic devices, and wearable health technology. Significance of medical devices. Medical devices have revolutionized healthcare by contributing to accurate diagnosis, more effective treatments, and improved patient outcomes. They have enabled healthcare professionals to provide better care by offering real-time monitoring, personalized treatment plans, and minimally invasive procedures. Medical devices have also extended patients' quality of life by enabling mobility, communication, and independence through assistive technologies. Furthermore, medical devices have played a pivotal role in advancing medical research and innovation. They have facilitated the development of cutting-edge therapies, such as robotic surgery and targeted drug delivery systems, leading to more precise and less invasive procedures. Importance of proper medical device handling. Proper medical device handling is critical for several reasons. Patient safety. Mishandling devices can lead to patient harm or incorrect diagnosis and treatment. Device performance. Correct handling preserves the functionality and accuracy of devices. Infection control. Inadequate handling can contribute to the spread of infections. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to guidelines and regulations ensures legal and ethical practices. 3. Basic medical device handling techniques. 1. Personal hygiene and safety measures. Healthcare professionals must maintain strict personal hygiene and adhere to infection control practices. This includes proper hand washing, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, and avoiding contact with devices if they have open wounds or illnesses. 2. Device inspection and verification. Before use, every medical device should be inspected for damage or defects. Verify that the device matches the prescription or intended use, and cross-reference with patient records if applicable. Confirm that all necessary accessories and components are present. 3. Proper storage and environment. Devices must be stored in appropriate conditions to maintain their integrity. Follow manufacturer guidelines for temperature, humidity, and storage duration. Store devices in clean, designated areas to prevent contamination. 4. Correct application and removal. Adhere to manufacturer instructions and training when applying and removing medical devices. Incorrect application can lead to discomfort, malfunction, or adverse reactions. Educate patients on proper device use when applicable. 5. Infection control measures. Maintain a sterile environment when handling invasive devices or those that come into contact with bodily fluids. Sterilize reusable devices properly, and follow guidelines for disposable devices. Dispose of used devices according to waste management protocols. 4. Documentation and record keeping. Accurate documentation is crucial for tracking device usage, maintenance, and patient outcomes. Maintain records of device identification, patient details, usage dates, and any observed issues. Proper documentation aids in regulatory compliance and troubleshooting. In conclusion, medical devices encompass a diverse range of tools, equipment, and software that are crucial to modern healthcare. They serve multiple functions, from diagnosis and treatment to prevention and monitoring. The classification of medical devices based on risk and regulatory control helps ensure patient safety and effective use. The significance of medical devices cannot be overstated, as they continue to shape the landscape of healthcare, improve patient outcomes, and contribute to medical advancements.